Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to find the maximum number from the list of numbers in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's try to open the Google Sheet, and here you can see some of the numbers. Okay, so now let's try to find the maximum number from this particular list using the formula. Okay, so in order to find the maximum number from the group of numbers, you can use the formula is equal to max and select this particular formula, and here you can select the list of numbers or the group of numbers, then you can press enter. Okay, so here you can see 9,85,000 is the highest number from the list of these numbers, and here you can find that particular number as the maximum number. Okay, so for that you can use this particular formula is equal to max. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.